So I just picked up these two new rides, both of them white. I got to decide which one I want as a channel vehicle, my daily driver. They're both pretty much junk, worn out, but they might do. The Ford, I paid $800 for it. It runs, it drives, it's a four-wheel drive. This one, I did work for it. I changed out 4 struts, 2 shocks, a distributor cap, spark plug wires, spark plugs. I need you to tell me which one you think I should keep. There's pros and cons on both. As far as tires and wheels, both of them had new tires, stock wheels. Here's the truck tires. These tires might be a little bit newer looking, but both of them have low miles. The chrome, I like the chrome better than the aluminum. This one is four-wheel drive, but I've not had a chance to test it yet. I've already got some tools in there. Anyway, the driver's door don't open. I gotta fix that. That'd be number one. This back hatch is out of alignment. That's gotta be fixed. And the and the four-wheel drive selector switch is missing. Oh, and the AC is ice cold in here. The truck has no AC.
It's 707. I'm Sarah Thompson.
707. Both of them have stereos that work. This one might be a little better. They're both 6 cylinders. This one's a 4.0. That one is a 4.3. They're both automatic transmissions. As far as towing, the truck probably tows better. This one has a receiver, but it's some kind of little funky thing. This bed would hold probably 2 lawnmowers with a tailgate down. I don't know, let me know what you think. Oh, and this one, the seat's been recovered. This one has seat covers that are worn out. Previous owner had the seat recovered. It has new mirrors. It has behind the seat some weather stripping. There are hinge pins for this door. Same thing for that one. It's got some hinge pins also. Anyway, leave me some comments. Tell me what you think. That one would be good for camping in, good for going to the beach. This one would be good for hauling stuff. Oh, air condition, no air condition. This one might run a little better than that one. That one has an engine oil leak. This one has a transmission fluid leak. It's time to do a truck cold start, but I might eat this orange thing first. Okay, it is time. This one, 192,000. Starts right up. And here in the GMC, it's got a JVC.
And so we've been just about all over the world.
It works.
So you have had
I don't know how to turn it off. And here in the Explorer, the windshield's busted. And so up here on the dash beside the stereo, that's the 4x4 selector switch. I pulled it out from behind the dash. That's 4. That's 4 low. I think it's time to fire it up. Cold start again. I felt something happen then. Oh, in the dash, the 4 high light comes on. I don't see the 4 low light. There it is, 4 low. So if you look on the dash, right beside the oil pressure, 4 low. It is pulling harder. Here's a quick walk around of both of them. Ignore the wind noise. There's a good little scratch there. There's a dent in the plastic bumper down there. This side looks pretty clean. Back door, back hatch is out of alignment. What about the truck? Got that, you ain't gonna hurt it paint job. Rat rod looking. I wouldn't mind painting Chet 327 on the door of this, or even on this one. Wouldn't hurt on either one of them. It's got a little bit of rust spot, a couple of holes. Top's got some rust. I can live with all that. A little scratch there, a little scratch here. Little scuff down the side. Tow package. Little dent behind the tire. Some rust in the bed. Yes, I'm curious too. How will it do in the mud? Here we go. And so I know you guys want to see under the hood. Look at that, under that hood. Just kidding. This one's a 4.0 6-pack. Kind of cluttered under there. It's got a 19 battery. This one's a 6-shooter. A lot more room, easier to work on. A 16 battery. So let me know which one you think I should fix up. And I'm thinking this would make a good billboard. Wash it up real good, put Chud 327 on the door, throw a couple mud mowers in the back. Oh, sneak peek, I gotta show you this. This will be in the next episode of this truck. Look at those wheels. Anyway, that's gonna raise it up about, I don't know, 1.5 inches, 2 inches. It's gonna make it look so much better. Let me know what you think. I know what I think. To make it fair, the Explorer has already been washed. I better wash this one before I upload the video. Oh, and what about a mud test before we upload a video? And I don't think I showed you the new mirrors yet. That'll look good on there. That, with those wheels and this crappy paint job, a good looking truck. And this fancy seat. So I was planning to say this for the next episode, but I gotta know if these wheels fit this truck, what kind of lug nuts I'm gonna need, what it's gonna look like really. Let's do an experiment. I'm fixing to drop a commercial. Watch the commercial, then comment what the commercial was, and maybe the first 10 people I'll give you a shout out on the next video or on a upcoming video. Maybe the next video I do on this truck. And now back from commercial break, let's see if this wheel fits on this truck. No. Here's a shot of what I changed out for the neighbor to get the truck, and the other CV shaft and the other strut has already been recycled. There was also a distributor cap, some spark plug wires, some spark plugs. Now if you're wondering how much did the tires lift the truck, I'm wondering the same exact thing. Here in the back, That is 35 inches. 6 inches of clearance. Let's go to the other side. With the stock wheel, it's talking about 33 and a half with 7 inches of clearance. Let's go to the front. Up in the front, the original was 31 and a half. 5 1/4 inches of clearance. And now it is 33 and a half with 4 inches clearance. And I need to find a couple shiny wheels for my truck bed trailer. That would set it off. And now there's a mower in the trunk with plenty of room to spare. I just sold a toolbox. I think I could have the toolbox and the mower fit in here, but the toolbox is gone. Hindsight. I think I'll go put the other tires and wheels on right about now. As I'm putting that last back tire on, I checked the back brakes. They look good. I didn't show you the front brakes. They look good too. This thing's ready to drive. And I know what you're thinking. I know what I would be thinking. When are you going to take it to the mud hole? You took the Explorer to the mud hole. Well, the mud hole is right straight in front of it. And I don't think it's going to make it, but that's okay. John Deere with the winch is waiting right there. We can do a little bit of spinning. The best way to clean your tires is to get it in the mud and get that what do you call it, exfoliation to go on. That's what we're going to do right about now. Go get stuck. To be honest, that was more than I expected. Let's get you a better view. So I got the straps hooked to the truck. The Explorer's on standby, but somebody's probably going to comment, let the air out of the tires and you'll get out of the mud. Does that work just in sand? Does it work in the mud too? I got this. Let's go find out. Now I'm going to tiptoe over and do the other side. Okay, both back tires are about 2 pounds. That's estimating. And let's see what it does. So I'm kind of shocked it worked. And I made it that far. One of those times when you need a cameraman. Anyway, I got to get it turned around. We'll come right back through it. I guess that's a good enough angle it won't get mud on the camera. Here we go.